Nobody took me up on the offer of the ski boat. So this guy gave me $200 for it.
That should be fine. I'm just gonna pull over it. It's not gonna be that big of a deal. I just got to get this thing back in here and then
Okay.
kind of help me.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
He said he was a veteran and a Marine, and that he had a boat just like this before. It's sat out in the weather long enough that the floor has gotten a bit soft, and the restoration is going to take a considerable amount of time. And I seem to have too many boats at the moment. So I'm getting a new outboard on the Macgregor. And I'm kind of psyched for that. So I think that's going to be my boat now. You can still have a great deal on the Carver if you want it. If you're thinking about it, remember what happened to the catamaran. And now the ski boat. Just saying. The opportunity is there. So after moving this far, I need to get the compressor so we can put some air in the tires. And that guy up on my roof is a plumber. And he's going to try to clear my main drain unsuccessfully. My house has been abandoned for almost 2 years. I broke my femur bone, then I had to take care of my dad. Then I spent almost a year taking care of my mom. And by the time I came back, well, none of my faucets would turn off once they were turned on because, like, the washers need to be used and flex a little bit. And if you leave them, they become a problem. And roots would intrude on my pipes from time to time, and they would run slow, and I could put some stuff down. And occasionally, the plumbers would come with a rooter. Well, and that is the last I will ever see of my ski boat. Do I look sad? And now on to the plumbers. So, yeah, being away, the usual maintenance couldn't be done. And so by the time I come back, everything is really catastrophic. So between that and cleaning up 20 years of mess in the house, I'm trying to get everything in order at least once. And being so old, hopefully everything will be nice for me as long as it needs to if I get it in shape. And I guess that's just it for now.